Breaking news that's coming in right now. The fourth Omicron case has been confirmed in Maharashtra. The passenger traveled from Cape Town to Mumbai via Dubai. The 33-year-old is from Dombivli. He tested positive for Omicron. India's Omicron tally reaches 4 with this. After Karnataka, Gujarat, Maharashtra now reports a case of the Omicron variant of COVID-19. That's the latest breaking piece of information that's coming in right now. The fourth confirmed case of the Omicron variant of coronavirus has been detected in Maharashtra. A 33-year-old who traveled from South Africa, Cape Town, to Dubai and then to Mumbai via Delhi. Pankaj Upadhyay is now joining me live on this. Pankaj, what are the health authorities telling you about this case of confirmed Omicron variant?
So Pallavi, now we have more information. The state government has informed that this 33-year-old youth had traveled on 24th of November from Cape Town to Mumbai. The route that he had taken was Cape Town, Dubai, Delhi, and then he reached Mumbai on 24th. When he reached Mumbai on 24th of November, he developed mild symptoms. He had mild fever, post which he was subjected to the RT-PCR test, and then the sample was sent to genome sequencing, which confirmed the presence of the corona variant Omicron. Now he's a resident of Dombivli, the suburban area of Mumbai, and he is undergoing tests in the hospital in the suburban area. The big question remained as to what about the contact tracing. So we've been given to understand that 12 high-risk contacts and around 23 low-risk contacts have been found, tested, and they are all negative. So this is a big relief. At the same time, 25 co-passengers were also identified, tested. Their report is now negative. So that's another relief. But the state government says that the process of contact tracing is still going on, and they are finding out more people that he was in touch with. Additionally, it is shocking that this 33-year-old youth had not taken any dose of COVID-19 vaccine. So this is the information that we have found now.
Okay,
yes,
that's a little alarming that he had not taken any dose of the vaccine as of yet, but some relief over there in terms of the travelers around him and those around him. Contact tracing of 25% persons, and they've all tested negative. Pankaj, thank you for those details. Now, the